Today we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuum, and yes, I'm comparing 5 different robot vacuums to help you figure out which one fits your home and lifestyle. I'll walk you through how they clean, how smart they are, what makes them worth your money, and what doesn't. Let's jump in and find the right one for you. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Tapo Ultra Slim LiDAR Smart Navigation Robot Vacuum and Mop with Self-Emptying Dock. 5,300 pascals max. 97% plus dust pickup rate. Self-charging. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home. RV20 Max Plus. This robot vacuum is aimed at people who want smart navigation and strong suction without jumping into premium pricing territory. The ultra-slim design makes a real difference in US homes, especially if you have beds, sofas, or low-clearance furniture where thicker robots usually get stuck or never reach. Navigation is one of its strengths. The LiDAR mapping keeps it moving in clean, logical rows instead of bouncing randomly. That matters in apartments and single-family homes where you want consistent coverage, not missed corners or repeated passes in the same spot. It handles transitions between rooms smoothly and finds its way back to the dock without drama. Suction power is more than enough for everyday messes. It does well with dust, crumbs, and pet hair on hardwood, vinyl plank, and tile. On carpets, especially low to medium pile, it pulls up surface dirt well, but it's not meant for deep carpet cleaning. The mop function is best for light maintenance cleaning, not sticky spills or dried-on messes. The self-emptying dock is a big quality-of-life upgrade. If you hate emptying bins every day, this alone makes the vacuum feel more hands-off. It's great for busy professionals or families who just want the floors to stay presentable during the week. This is a good buy if you live in an apartment or mid-sized home, have mostly hard floors, and want smart navigation without paying flagship prices. You should skip this if your home is mostly thick carpet, you expect heavy-duty mopping, or you want the absolute strongest suction on the market. Number 2. Roborock Seros 10 are robot vacuum and mop, 22,000 pascal suction, zero tangling, 3.14 foot, ultra slim, flexi-arm riser technology for carpet and floor, corner and edge cleaning, self-emptying, hot air drying, black. This robot is built for people who want top-tier performance and are willing to pay for it. The suction power is extremely strong, and yes, you can tell the difference, especially in homes with pets, kids, or high-foot traffic. It pulls debris out of carpets that mid-range robots simply leave behind. The ultra-slim design combined with advanced navigation makes it one of the most capable robots for complex American homes. It gets under furniture, cleans along edges, and handles mixed flooring without getting confused. The flexi-arm system actually reaches corners and edges better than most robots, which is something you'll notice if you usually have dust buildup along baseboards. The mop system is also more serious than average. It lifts when it detects carpet, applies even pressure on hard floors, and dries itself afterward. That's ideal if you want clean floors without dealing with wet pads or mildew smells. Self-emptying and hot air drying push this firmly into the premium category. It's designed for people who want minimal daily involvement and maximum automation. This is an excellent choice for larger homes, pet owners, and people who want near hands-free floor maintenance. You should skip this if you're on a budget, live in a small apartment, or don't need advanced mopping. It's powerful, but it's more than many households actually need. Number 3. Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. Super thin, powerful suction, quiet, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner, cleans hard floors to medium pile carpets, black. This robot vacuum is made for people who want basic, dependable cleaning without dealing with apps, Wi-Fi setup, or smart home integrations. In a lot of American households, especially apartments and smaller homes, that simplicity is actually a plus, not a downside. The first thing you notice is how slim it is. It easily fits under couches, beds, and dressers where dust builds up and gets ignored. If you live in an older apartment or have furniture with low clearance, this design makes a real difference in how much floor space actually gets cleaned. Suction power is strong for its size. On hardwood, laminate, vinyl plank, and tile, it does a solid job picking up everyday dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. It also handles low pile and some medium pile carpet reasonably well, especially if you run it a few times a week. That said, this is not a deep cleaning carpet vacuum. and it's not meant to replace a full upright vacuum. This model uses a random cleaning pattern, which means it doesn't map your home or clean in straight rows. Instead, it bumps, turns, and eventually covers most areas over time. For maintenance cleaning, that works fine, but it's not as efficient as modern LiDAR-based robots. You'll want to let it run longer or more often to get consistent results. Noise level is another strong point. It's noticeably quieter than many robot vacuums, making it a good option if you work from home, live in an apartment with thin walls, or like to run it in the evening without disturbing anyone. There's no self-emptying dock, so you'll be emptying the dustbin frequently, especially if you have pets. Maintenance is simple but hands-on. You'll also occasionally need to check for cords, small rugs, or clutter, since it doesn't have advanced obstacle avoidance. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum with Auto-Empty Dock Self-Empties for 75 days. Easy to use, intense powerlifting suction, LiDAR navigation, multi-surface cleaning, cleans in neat rows. This Roomba is built for people who want reliable cleaning without dealing with complicated settings or advanced features they'll never use. It focuses on doing one job well, which is vacuuming floors consistently and with minimal daily involvement. The biggest upgrade here is LiDAR navigation. Unlike older Roombas that wandered randomly, this one cleans in neat, logical rows. In real American homes, especially those with open layouts or long hallways, that makes cleaning faster and more predictable. You're less likely to see missed sections or the vacuum spending too much time in one area. Suction power is strong enough for everyday messes. It handles pet hair, crumbs, and dust on hardwood, laminate, tile, and low to medium pile carpet without struggling. It's not the strongest vacuum on the market, but it's balanced and consistent, which matters more for daily maintenance. The brush system works well for pet hair and doesn't tangle as badly as traditional bristle brushes. That's a plus if you have dogs or cats and don't want to clean hair off the roller constantly. The auto-empty dock is one of the best features for busy households. Being able to go weeks without emptying the bin makes this feel more hands-off. For families, professionals, or anyone who travels, that convenience adds up quickly. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Plus 405 G181 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop Robot with Auto Wash Dock, Dual Spinning, Smart and Fast Mapping. Ideal for pet hair, self-empties 75 days. Intense suction, pad washing and drying. This robot is designed for people who want both vacuuming and mopping handled automatically with as little daily involvement as possible. It's not just a vacuum with a wet cloth attached. The dual spinning mop pads actually scrub floors, which makes a noticeable difference on tile, vinyl, and sealed hardwood commonly found in American homes. Vacuum performance is strong and consistent, especially for pet hair and everyday dirt. It's built to run frequently rather than rely on one deep clean. That approach works well for busy households where floors get dirty fast. Mapping is fast and accurate, letting you choose specific rooms, avoid certain areas, and schedule cleaning around your routine. The robot lifts the mop pads when it detects carpet, so you don't have to worry about wet rugs. The auto wash dock is the standout feature. It empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, and dries them. That means you're not dealing with dirty pads or lingering smells, which is a common issue with cheaper mop robots. The dock is large, but it replaces a lot of manual work. This is a great fit for families, pet owners, and people with lots of hard flooring who want floors to stay consistently clean without daily effort. It works especially well in larger homes where manual mopping would be time-consuming. You should skip this if your home is mostly carpet, you have very limited space for a large dock, or you don't care about mopping. It's also overkill if you only want occasional vacuuming. That's a wrap on the top 5 best robot vacuum review. I hope seeing all 5 options side by side made it easier to decide which one's right for your space. Check the links below for the most up-to-date prices and specs. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.